Good evening to all. In this video lecture we are going to know about power system, pictorial view of power system, structure of power system, main components involved in the power system are the topic now we are going to explain. Let us take the first one, pictorial view of AC power system. There are three main components in AC power system: generation, transmission, distribution. In generating stations, generators and step-up transformers are located. In transmission, high voltage power lines are shown here. In distribution side, we are satisfying industrial consumer, commercial consumer, residential consumer using distribution power lines. Let us know one line diagram for structure of electric power system. It consists of generating station, sending end substation, receiving substation, secondary substation and big consumers. In generating station, we are generating power in the range of 6.6 kV, 10.5 kV, 11 kV, 13.8 kV and 15.75 kV. The power generated from generating station is allowed to step-up transformer. That means the generated 11 kV is stepped up into 220 kV or 132 kV or 110 kV. Based on our requirements, we are stepping up the voltage, and then primary transmission takes place. In primary transmission, we are transmitting the voltage taken from secondary of step-up transformer to receiving substation. Here 220 kilovolt of primary stepped down into 33 kV in secondary. In secondary transmission, again we are stepped down the voltage from 33 kV into 11 kV. So transmission consists of both primary and secondary level. In distribution side, first we have considered primary distribution, where 11 kV is again stepped down into 400 volt for 3 phase, 230 volt for single phase. After that, we are satisfying the consumers. So let us discuss once again. An electric power system is a network of electrical components used to supply, transmit and use electric power. As we discussed earlier, there are three main components: generation, transmission, distribution. So generating station, also called as power station, it generally houses two or more three-phase alternators operated in parallel. Here generating voltage is not very high and it is usually 11 kV to 25 kV. Power stations are located far away from the consumer. Example for power stations are steam power plant, nuclear power plant, etc. Let us take the transmission. Because of economical reasons, electric power has to be transmitted at a high voltage. The range of voltage is 220 kV. That means the generated 11 kV is stepped up into 220 kV using step-up transformer, which is also called as generator transformer, simply called GT. Next one, distribution. The high voltage is stepped down into 11 kV at substation. Again that 11 kV is stepped down into 440 for 3 phase or 230 for single phase. So this video lecture is useful for initial learners of power system. Thank you all.